Hello, Chef here, working with pears today. I thought I'd review these pears and show you a couple of tricks. So first of all, this is a forel pear. This is a red pear. This is a Bosch pear. And this is a D'Anjou pear right here. They're looking really good. These have been ripening and they've been washed. I'm just going to do a little bit of carving with them here. Oh yeah. Going to be using some scoops. This one looks pretty cool. This one, uniform size. Then I'm going to put some of the opposite colors in each pear. Oh yeah, looks good. Just like that. The sponsor is having a sale on these boost blocks. Really nice. This one here is the gathering block. It's about 200 pounds. It's end grain rock maple and it's been used for over 10 years. Yeah, not too big, not too heavy, easy to move around, super high quality, and you're buying an heirloom. This will last for generations as long as you take care of it. When you notice your cutting board's getting a little bit dry, a little rough, and the color gets a little whiter, it's time to break out the oil. You can use the mystery oil, or you can use the board cream, or you can use the elixir. It doesn't really matter which product you use. It's just important to maintain the board. And one more thing, if your cutting board and your counter height is not ideal, you can add another cutting board like this. Just drop another one on top, you're good to go. Now you can achieve a more comfortable, relaxed position for cutting, chopping, cooking on, and it's better on your back and your body, and it's more comfortable in general. So I wanted to show you those things. I'm going to oil these boards, and I'll be right back.